Hi, first grade. Remember last week we talked about adjectives that told us different kinds of sizes. So we had to have something that was small, tiny, little, medium, large, huge, gigantic, big, short, tall. And we also talked about different objects being a different shape. There was square, round, oval, curved, straight, wide, narrow, crooked, flat, wavy. And then yesterday we went over and we learned new adjectives for colors. Color adjectives. They describe something to make it look it's more specific. And we talked about there was black, white, pink, yellow, brown, purple, orange, red, green, blue, all different kinds of colors that objects could be. And when we use these adjectives describing color, it makes our writing more interesting, more detailed, more colorful if you want. And it makes it more specific. Which pen do you want? The purple pen. Okay? So today we're going to look at a story from our mentor text, Nana in the City. We're just going to look at a page. We're not going to read the whole story today. And we are going to look for some adjectives that describe color in the picture of the story. And I want to show you the picture. It looks like this. Oh, let me move over here. There we go. Now we have Nana, and we have a little boy, and we have some cats and a couch and a backpack and a light. So we have lots of different objects in that picture. But first, I want to show you what I mean about, I want you to describe an object in that picture. So look at the little boy's boots. Okay? So now I can write a sentence about the little boy's boots. And I can be specific. I don't just say like the little boy is wearing boots. So I can make it more interesting and more detailed by telling you what color boots he's wearing. All right, so I want you to think to yourself, what color boots is this little boy wearing? And then I'm going to write a sentence that will tell you what color boots he's wearing. Okay. The little boy is wearing green boots. Okay, now what word in that sentence describes the boots? The color, green. Correct, that's my adjective. My adjective tells me the color of the little boy's boots. So I'm going to circle the adjective green. Okay, so then in just a few minutes, you're going to be able to pause the video and go write this sentence in your journal. The little boy is wearing green boots. But I also want you to go back and find a sentence in the picture that describes color. Now you are going to write another sentence about different colored objects in the picture. Since I already wrote the little boy is wearing green boots, you may copy that sentence. But then I need you to write another sentence about something that's a different color in the picture. So what are some things that are different colors in the pictures? Think to yourself. So there are some things that are white. There's a white backpack. There's a white couch. There's a white cat. Good. There's something that is red. Good. There's red boots, a red cape, red glasses. Okay, so there's all kinds of things you can write about. Just choose one more object that's in the picture to write a sentence in your journal. Don't forget to copy the sentence that I wrote so that you can write a similar sentence using a different color object. Okay. Then you're going to take a picture and put it in your Google Classroom.